in my pension, I want stocks which have these kind of characteristics. I want stocks which over 250 days have a probability, not guaranteed, a probability based on their historic returns of being positive. Okay? And over 20 days, this is the problem. They could be down 20%. Most stocks, sadly, after 20 days, have a higher probability of a bigger drop. That's why people panic. Okay? And you know why they don't hold through to the 250 days? Boredom. Boredom and panic, the two diseases of poor investing amongst retail clients. How many companies do you think have that kind of a histogram? Under 10 out of 10,000. I know because I've looked. Okay, I call those my quality 5+. Those are the ones I keep dipping back to. You know where the bulk of Warren Buffett's money is? It's in about 10 companies. He has the same idea. Stick with the ones which aren't going to give you sleepless nights. It's that simple. Right? If you want little tips and tricks on how to improve your investing and a free copy of one of my 18 books on investing, alpeshpatel.com/links, and you can download it there. Thank you very much.